In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the curtain opening effect in CapCut. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add the video to the track. Now, go to the Effects tab, select Video Effects, use the search bar, and look for curtain. You'll see different curtain style effects available. Tap on any curtain effect to preview how it looks on your video. Once selected, tap the Add button to add it to the track. Now, select the effect layer, go to the toolbar, and adjust the speed slider. This controls how fast the curtain opens. Now, preview your video. As you can see, the curtain animation repeat automatically. To fix that, drag the edges of the effect layer inward until the curtain open only once. Once you're done, preview your video again. Once you're satisfied, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it. You've successfully created a curtain opening effect in CapCut. I've got a free step-by-step guide link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!